and welcome to Speak Shona. I'm Tsitsi, and today we are learning how to use pronouns. Shona is special in that our subjects and objects can be indicated by things called subject concords or object concords, which are basically prefixes in front of words that show who the subject is, that show who's doing what. So we sometimes use the pronouns a lot, but we can drop them altogether. But we will learn them anyway so that when you hear them, you understand them. How do I say I? I is ini. Ini. But when it's attached to a word, it's ndi. Ndi. You is iwe. Iwe. And the prefix when attached to a word is u. U. He or she is exactly the same. Shona is kind of genderless that way. It's iye. Iye. And the prefix concord is a. A. We is isu. Isu. The prefix concord is ti. Ti. They is evil. Evil. And the prefix concord is va. Va. Then there's it. There are a lot of it's. We're not going to worry about it today. We'll worry about it in another episode. So for today, let's focus on just the human pronouns. So, I, ini, ndi. You, iwe, u. She or he, iye, a. We, isu, ti. They, Evo, va. That's it for today. See you in the next episode. Don't forget to visit our website, speakshona.com, to get the transcripts. Tona.